Hello dear friends, this is Dr. Mohammad Aminulchem. Welcome to my channel. In my previous video, I explained how to calculate activation energy using Arrhenius equation in Origin Pro. In this video, I would like to show you how to interpret activation energy in adsorption. This video is very important, so please do not skip. While activation energy is the minimum energy required to cause a chemical reaction. In my previous video, I showed how to calculate activation energy using Arrhenius equation. This is ln K equal to minus A divided by RT ln K. And now the activation energy can be positive or negative. Negative value of activation energy indicates that at a low temperature favors adsorption process, in which case adsorption is considered to be exothermic. Positive value of activation energy suggests that the presence of an energy barrier in adsorption process, which means the adsorption requires energy increased temperature to drive adsorption and is considered as endothermic. Now, reaction rate. Well, activation energy is an important factor for determining reaction rate. If activation energy is greater, the reaction is slower at a certain temperature. If activation energy is smaller, the reaction is faster. In room temperature, if activation energy calculated is less than 40 kJ per mole, the rate of the reaction, if it is greater than 120 kJ per mole, the rate of the reaction is rather slow. Now, nature of adsorption. If activation energy is less than 40 kJ per mole, then it is considered as adsorption. If it is within the range of 24 to 40 kJ per mole, then it is ion exchange. This is a sort of adsorption. And if the value is greater than 40 kJ per mole, then it is considered as chemisorption. So these are the reference from where most of the informations have been collected. In my next video, I will explain various aspects of adsorption and column adsorption. Please, thanks for watching. Please subscribe aminulcheminnovation, like, comment, share for new updates.